You probably walk past these plants every day. You may even spray them, pull them out, or throw them away. But what if some of the weeds growing in your backyard are actually useful plants that people have valued for generations? Today, we're counting down 12 backyard weeds you might be destroying by mistake, and number 12 is one of the most surprising plants hiding in plain sight. Before removing any wild plant, always make sure you identify it correctly and check whether it is safe for your specific situation. Every year, millions of homeowners across America spend countless hours trying to create what they believe is the perfect backyard. They cut the grass, remove anything that looks different, spray unwanted plants, and spend money trying to make their outdoor space look exactly the way they imagine it. But there is something most people never stop to consider. The plants they are fighting against may not always be the enemy. In fact, some of the most common plants growing naturally in your yard have been valued by people for generations because of their unique characteristics, their relationship with nature, and the important role they can play in a backyard ecosystem. The word weed has created a powerful idea in our minds. We often think a weed is a useless plant that has no purpose, something that appears where it does not belong and needs to be removed immediately. But the truth is that a weed is often just a plant growing in a place where humans do not want it. Nature does not label plants as good or bad. Every plant has adapted to survive in certain conditions. Some grow in dry soil, some thrive in compact areas, some attract insects, and some appear because they are perfectly suited for the environment around them. Your backyard is not just grass, it is a living world. Beneath the surface, roots interact with soil, insects search for food, birds depend on plants, and countless natural processes happen every single day. When we remove a plant without understanding it, we may be removing something that was quietly contributing to that environment. Now, this does not mean every wild plant should be allowed to grow everywhere. Some plants can become invasive, and every location has different challenges. The goal is not to stop gardening. The goal is to become more aware of what is growing around you before you decide what stays and what goes. So, the first surprising plant on our list is one almost everyone knows, the dandelion. For many homeowners, seeing a bright yellow dandelion flower appear in their lawn feels like a problem that needs immediate attention. They see it as a sign that their yard is losing the battle against nature. But you know, the dandelion has a much more interesting story than most people realize. This plant is really one of nature's great survivors. Its long roots allow it to grow in challenging conditions where many other plants struggle. It can appear in compact soil, cracks in sidewalks, and areas where the environment is just not ideal. Dandelions also show up early in the season when a lot of other plants haven't even started producing flowers yet. Their bright yellow blooms can become part of the natural landscape and provide resources for certain pollinators. The same plant that many people spend time removing is also a plant that has found a way to survive almost anywhere. The lesson here isn't that everyone should let dandelions completely take over their yard. The real lesson is that understanding something before destroying it can completely change your perspective. Another plant that many homeowners immediately remove is clover. For decades, the perfect American lawn has often been imagined as a smooth, green carpet made entirely of grass. Any other plant appearing between those blades is seen as a mistake. But clover is a fascinating example of how our ideas about gardening are changing. More and more people are starting to appreciate natural landscapes where different plants can exist together. Clover flowers can attract bees and other pollinators, and a lot of gardeners actually appreciate its place in a diverse outdoor environment. A backyard does not always have to look completely artificial to be beautiful. Sometimes, a little variety creates a healthier and more interesting space. The question is not always, how quickly can I remove this plant? Sometimes the better question is, why is this plant growing here? Another commonly misunderstood plant is plantain weed. And just to be clear, this is not the tropical fruit you may find in a grocery store. This plant is a low-growing survivor that shows up in many lawns, sidewalks, pathways, and areas where the soil has been heavily used. Many people remove it because they believe it has no value, but honestly, its ability to survive difficult conditions is exactly what makes it interesting. Nature creates different plants for different purposes. Some plants grow tall and colorful, while others are designed to handle environments where other plants just cannot survive. Plantain is one of those quiet survivors. It doesn't need perfect conditions to keep growing, and that tells us something important about the incredible adaptability of the natural world. Chickweed is another plant that often goes unnoticed until it starts spreading. Many gardeners see it appear and immediately consider it a problem. But like, many wild plants, chickweed has a history that goes beyond simply being unwanted. It is an example of how quickly nature responds when conditions change. When soil is disturbed or an area becomes available, certain plants appear because they are adapted to take advantage of those opportunities. The plants around us often have stories that we never learn because we are too focused on removing them. Sometimes the smallest plants are the ones that reveal the biggest lessons about survival and adaptation. Purslane is another backyard plant that surprises many people. It grows close to the ground and has thick leaves that help it handle difficult conditions. Its ability to survive in dry environments makes it a fascinating example of natural adaptation. While some homeowners see it as something that needs to be removed, others recognize that it is a plant that has developed unique ways to survive. Nature is full of examples like this. Plants are constantly adapting to weather, soil, and changing environments. The plants that survive are often the ones that have developed the strongest strategies for dealing with challenges. Wild violet is another plant that creates mixed opinions among homeowners. Those small purple flowers may appear in areas where people want only grass, but they can add a different kind of beauty to outdoor spaces. For years, many people believed that a perfect lawn had to look exactly the same everywhere, but today more homeowners are beginning to appreciate natural landscapes that support more variety. A backyard does not have to be perfect to be valuable. Sometimes the most beautiful outdoor spaces are the ones where nature and human design exist together. Lamb's quarters is another plant that, honestly, a lot of people remove, without knowing much about it. It often pops up in gardens and areas where the soil has been disturbed. Because it grows so easily, many folks just assume it's useless. But if you look back at history, you'll see that plenty of wild plants have actually been valued by different cultures for generations. Just because a plant is common doesn't mean it's meaningless. Sometimes the plants we see every single day are the ones we understand the least. Yarrow is another example of a plant that really deserves a bit more attention. It's been part of natural landscapes for a very long time, and shows us how every single plant can become part of a bigger environment. A backyard isn't just a decoration sitting outside your home. It's a constantly changing ecosystem where plants, insects, and all sorts of other life interact. When we start to understand these connections, we stop seeing nature as something that needs to be controlled all the time and start seeing it as something we can actually learn from. Now, one plant that definitely requires extra caution is stinging nettle. Almost everyone knows this plant because of the uncomfortable reaction it can cause when touched. Because of that, a lot of people immediately want it gone. And honestly, caution is absolutely important here. Unknown plants should always be identified before you touch or use them. But even plants that seem unpleasant can have a role in the natural world. Nature doesn't create everything just for human comfort. Every plant has developed its own way of surviving. So, mallow is another overlooked plant that quietly appears in many outdoor spaces. It often grows along edges, pathways, and open areas. Because it does not always stand out, many people never notice it. But, ordinary-looking plants can often have extraordinary stories. They survive changing weather, compete for resources, and continue growing year after year. Mugwort is another plant that, honestly, teaches an important lesson. Location matters. In some areas, plants like mugwort have historical significance and cultural value. In other places, they can spread aggressively and become really difficult to manage. A plant is not simply good or bad, its impact depends on the environment where it grows. This is why understanding your local ecosystem is so important. Good gardening is not about blindly removing everything unfamiliar, it's really about making informed decisions. But the biggest mistake homeowners make is not having weeds in their backyard. The biggest mistake is destroying something before learning what it is. We live in a world where we often try to control everything around us. We want perfect lawns, predictable gardens, and outdoor spaces that look exactly the way we planned. But nature does not work that way. Nature is messy, complex, and constantly changing. The next time you see an unfamiliar plant growing in your yard, just take a moment before reaching for the weed killer. Take a picture. Learn what it is. Try to understand why it is there. Because honestly, sometimes the plant you call a weed is simply a misunderstood piece of nature. Your backyard may be more interesting than you ever realized. Hidden among the grass and flowers could be stories of survival, adaptation, and natural design that have been happening for thousands of years. If this video changed the way you look at your backyard, make sure to like this video because it helps more people discover the hidden stories behind everyday plants. Subscribe for more fascinating videos about nature, gardening, plants, and the incredible world that exists right outside your home. And remember, before you destroy something you do not understand, take a moment to discover its story. Because sometimes the greatest discoveries are not found somewhere far away. Sometimes they are growing right in your own backyard.